How to use hPanel on Hostinger complete walkthrough. Welcome to this tutorial on using hPanel, the control panel provided by Hostinger. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the different features and functions of hPanel and show you how to use it to manage your Hostinger account. First, let's take a look at the hPanel dashboard. As you can see, it's divided into several sections, including the overview, domains, and file sections. The overview section provides an overview of your account, including the number of domains, storage space, and bandwidth. The domains section allows you to manage your registered domains, while the files section lets you upload and manage your website files. To access the hPanel dashboard, simply log in to your Hostinger account and click on the hPanel icon. From there, you can navigate to the different sections and start managing your account. One of the most useful features of hPanel is the ability to manage your domains. You can register new domains, transfer existing ones, and even renew them. To register a new domain, simply click on the Register Domain button and follow the prompts. You can also transfer an existing domain by clicking on the Transfer Domain button and following the instructions. Another useful feature of hPanel is the ability to manage your website files. You can upload new files, delete existing ones, and even create new directories. To upload a new file, simply click on the Upload File button and select the file you want to upload. You can also create new directories by clicking on the Create Directory button and following the prompts. In addition to these features, hPanel also provides a range of other tools and resources to help you manage your account. These include a DNS manager, a backup tool, and a security scanner. The DNS manager allows you to manage your domain's DNS settings, while the backup tool lets you create backups of your website files.